as hard as you can. Both hands, Zach, hard as you can. You're back. Ow! Another.
Get it out, Quinn! Get it out!
Ow! Hard as you can. Harder! Harder!
Hard, Johan, hard. I want to see blood. So, Johan, explain to me what's going on here.
You're gonna pull out my tooth and you're just filming it, right?
Right. Move Quinn out of the way. Is it on, Daddy?
It's on.
All he has to do is pull the trigger?
Yep.
Last time I couldn't look.
Johan, are you going to do it?
Right.